everybody, that wraps the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time there's a new video. Also, comment shout out join if you comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Gojo Satoru from Jujutsu Kaisen with his hollow purple. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making it strong, and I think the outcome came out super cool, and it came out, I really love how the colors came out. It just blew my expectations, but hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. And if you want to see more JJK drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be leaving a drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you'll find some characters that I've drawn for that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's in the description, and I also have a JJK drawing playlist there, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to stay safe. Thanks, everybody. Peace.